So I'm actually pretty excited to do this. I'm doing a reading while sneezing video. I really got inspired by another sneeze creator that I was going to a little crazy over. She just held back so good. So she's the person who inspired me. I don't know if I can put her channel in the description, but she really did inspire me. So I'm gonna try and read this book. It's a Hawaiian book. So yeah, let me just get to a page. Okay. Chapter 1. Curses aren't real. Curses aren't real, Anna repeated the mantra to herself as she spotted Tutu on the far side of sorry. Yeah. On the far side of the Hilo Airport terminal. Leilani, her grandma called as she made her way down the escalator. The smile. This is a bad start. My God. This big smiley wrinkles around her Tutu's eyes, and mouth had multiple sins similar, and a mustard, a grin trying to hide her crankiness. Had asked Grandma. She asked Grandma not to call her by her real name. Hi. Oh my God. Sorry.